Welcome to Car Street. आज हम आपके लिए लाए हैं the latest edition of the flagship luxury sedan from Mercedes-Benz, the S-Class S350d, and this car is the latest edition. ये गाड़ी manufactured है in the year 2021 and it is registered in the year 2022 from the state of Rajasthan. और ये गाड़ी जो आपके सामने खड़ी है, which is not even the complete 1 year old, this is driven only and only 4,000 kilometers. It is under a valid insurance policy until April of 2025 and it is also under manufacturer's warranty till April of 2025. इस गाड़ी के अंदर हमको fitted मिलता है an inline 6-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine that gives this car the power figures of 280 brake horsepower with 600 Newton meters of torque. Due to which this car, even though it has a curb weight of 2 tons, it can go from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in only 6.4 seconds and it can achieve a top speed of up to 250 kilometers an hour. When we talk about the exterior, you can see that it comes with a very large and stylish chrome grille at the front, जिसके ऊपर हमको मिलता है Mercedes hologram. We get a parking camera in the middle. We get a lot of chrome on it, and we get some chrome garnishing on the front lip as well. You can also see that the ear intakes come chrome garnished, and we get very stylish projector headlamps in this car that are free of any scratches or dents. Moving on to the side profile, हमको इस गाड़ी में fitted मिलते हैं 19-inch dual tone alloys of gloss black and light aluminium, and they're fitted in brand new condition Pirelli tires. It gets chrome garnishing all around the windows, it gets chrome garnishing on the bottom of the doors, and it also gets a very cool feature. It comes with pop-out door handles that come with ambient lighting behind them. Apart from that, you can see that this car comes with a very long wheelbase and there is not a single scratch or dent on any of its fenders, doors or any other panels. Moving on to the rear profile of this car. On the back side, it comes with a very classy look with these very stylish LED tail lamps. हमको मिलती है chrome garnishing extending from that end to this end. We get the badging for S350d, a chrome Mercedes-Benz logo, and some chrome garnishing on the lower end of the bumper as well. जहाँ पे हमें देखने को मिलते हैं dual tip chrome exhaust, one on each side. We get a completely electronically operated boot which can be opened through the use of the remote. It comes with a capacity of 540 liters, and also under this lid we get the space saver spare tire with all the necessary tools in case you run into a puncture, and this has never been used in this car's entire lifetime. And the boot can also be closed through the use of this button or this button on the remote of this car. Now you have seen this car entirely from its exterior and it is in a shiny brand new condition. इसको देखकर लगता है that it is straight out of the showroom at this moment. So now we will move on to the interior before we talk about the pricing. इस गाड़ी के इंटीरियर में हमको बहुत ही ज़्यादा शानदार डुअल टोन इंटीरियर मिलता है with shiny black on top and tan brown interior everywhere else. It comes with a gloss black panel over here, another panel over here जिसपे आती है हमारी सीट के पोजीशन की settings, and this is a new format of the seat position settings. हमको memory settings मिलती है हमारी गाड़ी की चारों सीटों में. All seats are heated and you can see that the button for the heating is right over here for the driver's seat. The rear seats are also cooled. Along with that, you can also operate the passenger side seat with the use of this button over here, and you can see that we get a very nice and sharp chrome garnished door handle over here. Door panel के armrest पे हमको मिलता है एक और gloss black panel with the operations for the sunshades and the windows of this car, and we get a new dial for the operation of the headlights of this car. We get 2 speaker outputs on the door, one next to the window and one under the door panel just above this very nice and spacious storage cabin, which also comes with the trigger for the car's boot. Getting inside, on the bottom of the door sill, we can find an illuminated Mercedes-Benz door sill. And coming inside the car, we get an electronically operated steering wheel, जिसको आप एक trigger के use से ऊपर या नीचे कर सकते हैं और आगे और पीछे भी move कर सकते हैं. We get a completely digital instrument cluster for the driver, जिसमें अभी at the moment हम navigation को access कर सकते हैं. Apart from that, it comes with a lot of other functions. For example, you can see that it comes with the driver's assistance का display. हमको service information मिलती है इस पे. हमारे पास अपने layouts के भी काफी सारे options हैं. For example, navigation, classic, exclusive, sport and understated, and they are all very classy to see. Apart from that, on the steering wheel we get very shiny black leather. We get chrome paddle shifters behind. यहाँ पे हमको हमारा gear lever मिलता है for the 9-speed automatic gearbox of this car, and on On the steering wheel, on the right side, we get the controls for the adaptive cruise control of this car. This button over here helps us set the distance from the front car in terms of adaptive cruise control. You can see it over here. You can see as I press the button, the distance from the front car changes. Apart from that, we get the buttons for the limiter, the speed and the cruise control. And on the other side, we get some buttons to operate the infotainment system of this car. Moving on to the dashboard, we get the same shiny black garnishing over here of wood. We get a shiny black leather over here, जिसमें हमको अपने चार very stylish shaped AC vents मिलते हैं. We get the largest in class infotainment screen over here, which comes with a lot of controls. हमारी climate control के settings ठीक यहाँ पर है, and it is a very conveniently placed position. Apart from that, we get the comfort settings, which include seat kinetics, lumbar support, हमारी seat की heating settings, and we also get the memory and automatic setting for the position of the seat on this screen itself. Apart from that, you can also set the ambient lighting of this car, which also comes in a lot of other combinations. For example, green and blue and white. We've got more than 64 colors on this, and we have almost 10 combinations over here to make. And you can find the ambient lighting over here behind the screen under this chrome garnish, and also very nicely fitted over here in the door panels. Apart from that, this screen also comes with the controls to the 360-degree parking cameras of this car, and it also comes with electronic stabilization program. हमको यहाँ पर एक बटन मिलता है इस गाड़ी की ground clearance को raise या decrease करने का, because it comes with airmatic air suspension. We get the button for the manual gear shifting, through which you can use the gears through the use of the paddle shifters. हमको यहाँ पे मिलते हैं हमारा button to lower the headrests of the rear seat, and we also get the button for the active lane keeping assist. तो जैसा मैंने आपको पहले बताया था, इस गाड़ी में हमको adaptive cruise control मिलता है. Along with that, we also get the active lane keeping assist, जिसकी वजह से if you're driving on a well painted road, this car will steer itself to keep it in the middle of the chosen lane, and it will keep a distance from the car in front of you, जिसकी वजह से आपको ना गाड़ी को accelerate, brake या steer करने की जरूरत है. Apart from that, it comes in multiple driving modes, which are eco, comfort, sport, sport plus and individual, जिसमें आप गाड़ी के सारे स्टीयरिंग, सस्पेंशन एंड इंजन फीडबैक की सेटिंग्स खुद के हिसाब से सेट कर सकते हैं. We get a very nice and shiny gloss black panel over here under the screen, in which we find a wireless mobile charging port. We get another storage place for a phone. We get the Mercedes-Benz smokers package in this car, which is an ashtray, and it is a quite classy ashtray. It comes with 2 cup holders over here and 2 C-type connectivity ports. We get some storage space in the central armrest console as well, जो आपको दिख रहा है कि wrapped है बहुत ही ज़्यादा premium and shiny tan brown leather में. It comes with enough storage space for 3 to 4 200 ml water bottles, and we get 2 C-type connectivity ports. When we talk about the seats, they are very wide, they are very well cushioned, and they are most probably the most comfortable seats in the segment. इससे मैं adjust कर सकता हूँ अपना thigh support. I can set the seat height, I can recline it front and backwards, and I can also extend the thigh support to go forward. Apart from that, even the headrest is electronically operated, as you can see. Now, apart from that, in this car, we get dual sunroofs, a quite large one above the front seats, and we also get another one for the rear seats of this car. And just as I was using this, I have realized that it comes with a touch function where you just have to swipe the controls and the sunroof opens itself. Apart from that, we get a few more controls apart from the sunroof control over here. We get the cabin lights over here, the cabin lights for the rear seats. We get an emergency SOS calling button over here, and it is a quite effective button. You can see that we get a button behind this lever over here. और अगर आप इस बटन को दबाते हैं, within 30 seconds you will be connected to a Mercedes-Benz helpline, and in case you are in any kind of an emergency or an accident, they will send immediate support by contacting the emergency services. Apart from that, the last button that we get over here is for the rear sunshade, and we get a button for the door lights. Moving on to the rear seats. In the backseat of the S-Class, you are truly in the lap of luxury. We get a very comfortable seat in the back seat, जिसको आप electronically operate कर सकते हैं through the use of the controls found on the door panel. We get the same dual tone interior over here with black on top and tan brown, which can be seen on the door panels and the seats themselves. हमको यहाँ पे shiny black garnish मिलता है. We get a very nice gloss black panel over here, जिसपे हमें controls मिलते हैं for the windows and sunshades of both the rear windows. हमको इस पे मिलता है control for the sunshade of the rear moon roof, and we also get a control for the sunshade of the rear windscreen. Apart from that, you can see that it comes with very shiny and nice looking ambient lighting behind this panel over here, जहाँ पे हमें buttons मिलते हैं for both the ventilation and the heating of the rear seats, and they also come with memory settings. and we get the chrome door handle and the locking button, same as the front door. Over here we get a Burmester speaker output right here above the storage space, which also comes with illumination. Behind the front seats हमको मिलती है storage space, and you can see that I have no shortage of legroom whatsoever. And we also get a screen behind both the front seats. इसमें भी हमको infotainment system का काफी सारे options मिलते हैं. We can see the navigation, the phone connectivity, the radio connectivity, the media options, the comfort settings, which include the ambient lighting and the other settings of this car. Apart from that, you can also connect an HDMI port to the screen through the use of this panel over here in the central event console, and then you can watch media of your own choice. हम बात कर रहे हैं central event console की, तो उसमें हमको देखने को मिलता है very shiny gloss black panel on top with two chrome garnished AC vents, दो additional AC vents मिलते हैं हमको हमारे B pillars पे, और हमको यहाँ पे controls मिलते हैं for the AC controls of both the rear seats individually. Now, when we talk about these seats themselves, they come with electronically set headrests. हमको ये भी एक comfort package का part मिलता है along with these pillows, and they make experience very comfortable. We get a glass above us, we get large glasses over here which can be covered through the use of a sunshade, so it is quite private and it is quite comfortable. What's left is the central armrest console, and you can see that it is wrapped in shiny tan brown leather. It also comes with gloss black on top and ambient lighting on the sides. हमको यहाँ पे मिलती है एक storage space जहाँ पे एक वायरलेस मोबाइल चार्जिंग पोर्ट मिलता है और एक 200 ml वाटर बॉटल की स्टोरेज स्पेस मिलती है, दो C टाइप कनेक्टिविटी पोर्ट्स मिलते हैं, and we also get an ejectable touchscreen tablet in the back seat's armrest console. Through the use of this tablet, you can access the same options that you can access on the screen over here. So you can also find the car information, the navigation settings, the media settings, the Bluetooth settings, the comfort options, ambient lighting settings, the options for all the sunshades of this car, and the climate control settings as well. Apart from that, आप volume, navigation, phone connectivity, radio settings सब कुछ इससे operate कर सकते हैं, and it has a very nice slot to be kept over here, and as soon as you place it, it comes back into charging through an automatic method. Apart from that, we get a storage space over here behind the third seat, and it has a lot of storage space, enough for at least 4 500 ml water bottles. This is actually for an additional accessory package that is not equipped to this car. अब आपने ये गाड़ी completely देख ली है अंदर से बाहर, from its exterior to its interior. So now let's come down to its pricing. Now this car that I have shown to you in the course of this video, it is the flagship luxury sedan from Mercedes-Benz, और जैसे कि आपने देखा, it comes with all the class, comfort and features that should be attached to its name. Now this S-Class S350d, इस गाड़ी की on-road price in New Delhi is 1 crore 92 lakhs approximately. But this car that is driven only 4,000 kilometers, that is not even a complete year old, ये आपके लिए readily available है at 1 crore 65 lakh 85,000. Apart from that, जैसा कि मैंने आपको वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में बताया था, this car is in a valid comprehensive insurance policy until the April of 2024, and it comes with a third-party insurance coverage till April of 2025. Along with that, it is in Mercedes-Benz manufacturer's warranty until the April of 2025 as well. उसी के साथ car seat भी आपको provide करता है with a 6-month completely comprehensive warranty. We provide you with 100% finance and delivery options all across India with a very exciting buyback scheme, जिसमें आप गाड़ी 1 या 2 साल यूज करके हमको वापस रिटर्न या एक्सचेंज भी कर सकते हैं. If you're interested to buy this car, contact us now, and thank you so much for watching.